Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to set your bedtime in the Fitbit app. If you want to track your sleep better and improve your sleep schedule, this tutorial will guide you through the process in an easy and clear way. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Sleep option. Click on Sleep to access all sleep-related settings. Then select the Bedtime option. You will see a clock interface where you can choose the time you want to go to bed. Adjust the hours and minutes to match your preferred bedtime. Finally, after selecting your desired bedtime, click on Set Goal to save your changes. Your Fitbit app will now remind you of your bedtime and help you track your sleep consistently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching,